An active life can take its toll on your skin. Here's why calendula should be a staple in your medicine cabinet, first aid kit, gym bag, or travel gear. Calendula is made from a garden marigold. This bright yellow-orange flower offers more than just good looks. It has a rich history of medicinal use that dates back centuries. Calendula's wound-healing properties are due to the presence of essential oils, saponins, flavonoids, and alkaloids. These compounds have been shown to promote healing. As the active ingredient in Boiron Calendula cream, the homeopathic preparation of calendula promotes the healing of cuts, scrapes, chafing, and sunburn, while the cream's base soothes and moisturizes. It's ideal for use after sun exposure, beauty treatments, or any time after you experience skin irritation. It's free of fragrances, dyes, and parabens. So discover the healing benefits of calendula for yourself. Your skin will thank you for it. I'm Ken Redcross with your Dr. Redcross to the Rescue Health Minute.